How to use Apple Pay without social security number. Apple Pay is one of the easiest ways to pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch. But what if you don't have a social security number? Let's break down how you can still use Apple Pay. Apple Pay itself does not require a social security number. It's simply a digital wallet that stores your existing debit or credit cards securely. The confusion comes from Apple Cash and Apple Card. Apple Cash, which lets you send and receive money, requires identity verification. Apple Card, the credit card, also requires an SSN for approval. But for everyday payments with your bank cards, you don't need one. So here's how you can set up Apple Pay without an SSN. First and foremost, go ahead and open the Apple Wallet on your device. And then from here, go ahead and click on this plus icon, which you'd basically find at the top right of your screen. So into the section, go ahead and select the type of card that you want to add into your Apple Wallet, and then go ahead and enter the card details and then verify with your bank. Once approved, you can start using Apple Pay instantly. If you're outside the US or don't have an SSN, Apple Pay still works as long as your bank supports it. The only limitation is you won't be able to use Apple Cash or Apple Card. So the bottom line is simple. Apple Pay itself does not need an SSN. You can use it with your debit or credit cards for everyday purchase. Only Apple Cash and Apple Card require identity verification. Set up Apple Pay today and enjoy secure contactless payments, no social security number required.